everyone, welcome to a summer reading crafting episode with Ms. Shiri. Today we're going to be making a unicorn crown. Let's get started. First you'll need to gather your materials. I'm going to be using colored construction paper that is roughly 9 by 12 inches. If you don't have colored paper at home, you could always use felt, recycled cardboard packaging, or plain white paper decorated with crayons, colored pencils, markers, or paints. You'll also need glue, white or glue stick, or tape if you don't have glue, and a pair of scissors. Little ones may require adult assistance when using scissors. To make the base of the crown, cut the white paper into 2 long strips between 2 to 3 inches wide. Next, attach the 2 strips together with glue or tape. Set it aside for now. Let's return to the leftover piece of white paper. We're going to make the unicorn ears. To make 2 similarly shaped ears, you can fold the paper in 2 and cut both out at the same time. Repeat the same process with the pink paper to make the inside of the ears. They should be a similar shape, but slightly smaller. Now glue the inner and outer parts of the ear together and then set them aside. It's time to make the unicorn horn. Bring out the gold-colored paper and decide how long your horn will be. Then cut out a rectangle with a pointed V at one end. When you're happy with the shape, bring out something to write with and draw in the iconic unicorn horn spirals. Let's put all our pieces together. Glue the horn and ears to the white crown base. At this point, you can really decorate your unicorn crown however you'd like. You could draw on it or add stickers. I'm going to show you how to add paper flowers. There are lots of different ways to make paper flowers. Here's an easy rectangular blob shape. Now just add a yellow circle to the center and you have an instant flower. You can also make flowers out of heart shapes, like this, or like this. Let's go back to the first shape. If you layer 2 or more of these pieces, you can create a different flower with a little more dimension. To really give your flower some dimension, cut perpendicular lines along the edge of the shape and then fold the petals up. You can also layer these. Today, I'm going to be forming my flower petals with leaf shapes. You can always outline the petals before cutting them out individually. I'm going to fold my paper like an accordion so that I can cut several petals out at once. And I'm using the first shapes I cut out as a rough stencil for the rest of the petals. Now I'm going to repeat the process on green paper to make the leaves. I'm going to do the same with the yellow paper, but this time I'm cutting circles for the centers of the flowers. Once I have the shape arranged, I glue the petals and centers of the flowers. I like to plan out the final look before I glue everything down. I've decided to make my flowers with 5 petals, but you can use as many petals as you'd like. Finally, try on your crown to make sure it fits, and then secure the back part of the band. And now you're ready for your magical unicorn adventure. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.